warm welcome to Mr. Rakesh Roshan.
I saw the showing and I was very happy seeing that because Toons has done a fabulous job and even the story content is very good and I believe and I hope that all children are going to love it. You see, when Toons came to me with Cartoon Network and we had a discussion in the office about 2 years back, so it was a very good step to take the franchise forward. Usually it's the other way around, that from animated films we make feature films. But this was the first time that animated film is being made from a feature film. And that's a very proud moment for Filmcraft and Krish, the franchise. You see, Krish is a broadly a family film where children to parents to grandparents can go and see the film. But we made Kid Krish only targeting the children. So when they see the animated film on TV, on Cartoon Network, and if it does well, we can keep continuing this series as long as we can.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming. You all were very late. I think because of the traffic, it's my turn to complain about that. You're forgiven because I'm Krish. I am a good man, so it's okay that you were late today. Well, I know the difference. The difference is that Kid Krish is better than Krish. Okay. Because the things that Kid Krish can do, Krish can't do. He can bend more, he can jump higher, and he doesn't even need cables.
I disagree with that because I'm a big fan of Krish.
Thank you, thank you. But yeah, similarities, yeah, well, they both stand for the same things. They both, deep inside, they are, there's a child alive inside. And it is about discovering life and discovering how to carve your way through the ups and downs and the struggles and people's perceptions and assumptions, and that's what causes trauma in life, and how to use yourself to be on the right track, to know your true worth, to know your true self, etc., etc. I mean, I can go on and on and on. I am sure you all get the picture. That's what Krish is about. Every superhero film goes to, the effort is to instill that value.
Those values, and
it's
you
all
want to
about
pass on that message to the children.
It's all about that value, about what is a superhero. It takes 3 seconds to be a superhero. You just have to decide 1, 2, 3. That's it. I'm a superhero, and then all your decisions will be the right ones. What physical training? पूरी ज़िंदगी physical training में मैंने बिता दी है. अब Krish के लिए actually I didn't have to do much. I just had to maintain what all I had learned. तो Krish के लिए मेहनत actually went in resurrecting my back. क्योंकि जब Krish शुरू हो रही थी तो मेरी पीठ पे I had a double slip disc. तो it was all about recovering from that to be able to do this film. और डॉक्टर्स ने तो मना कर दिया था कि आई शुड नॉट डू दिस फिल्म, और मेरे पापा को भी बता दिया था कि दिस विल बी वेरी डेंजरस फॉर हिम टू डू. तो पापा के हिसाब से ही वांटेड टू शेल्व द फिल्म. लेकिन मैंने ठानी और मैंने कहा कि मुझे 3 महीने का अगर वक्त दिया जाए तो आई विल बी एबल टू गेट स्ट्रॉन्ग अगेन एंड आई विल बी एबल टू डू दिस फिल्म. तो इस फिल्म के लिए फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग वाज अबाउट रिकूपरेटिंग फ्रॉम माय बैड बैक.